Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play 911 Prey on PC. This is a thrilling horror game where you find yourself as a kidnapped teenager, desperately trying to escape a cannibal maniac's house. Your primary objective is to survive and find a way out by exploring the environment, collecting crucial items, and solving intricate puzzles. Remember, stealth is key to avoiding the maniac's watchful eye. To begin your escape, you can acquire 911 Prey on PC through digital storefronts like Steam, where it is available for a small fee, typically around $4. Another convenient option is to play it directly in your web browser. Before starting, ensure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM and an Intel Core i3 processor for smooth gameplay. Installation is usually straightforward through your chosen platform. Once in the game, mastering the controls is essential for survival. You will use the W, A, S, D keys to move your character through the house. To interact with items or solve puzzles, simply press the F key or left-click with your mouse. Your inventory items can be selected using the number keys from 1 to 6. Remember to press the C key to crouch, which is vital for stealth and hiding from the maniac. To successfully escape, you'll need to gather many items, such as a crowbar to break free from your initial confinement, or poisoned cheese to distract your captor. Solving puzzles, like the circuit board or lock mechanisms, is crucial for unlocking new paths. Always remember to close doors and replace items to avoid alerting the maniac. Pay close attention to timed events, as quick thinking and action are often necessary to secure your freedom.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.